Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating variables fast. Verify power and data connections, then swap the cable and port to rule out flimsy wiring. If possible, connect the SSD to a different computer or a USB to SATA adapter. This tells you whether the drive or the original system is the problem. Next, boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the controller recognizes the device. Make sure SATA mode is ASI, because incorrect controller mode prevents drives from mounting properly. Once detection is confirmed, move into software diagnostics. Open disk management on Windows or Discutal on Mac OS to inspect partitions, file systems, and unallocated space. This shows whether the SSD merely needs formatting or partition repair. Run smart tests with Crystal Disk Info or SmartDL to read health metrics, because reallocated sectors or high wear indicate imminent failure. If the operating system seems at fault, boot a Linux Live USB or safe mode to bypass drivers, and you must recover important files before any destructive action. Use cloning tools or file recovery software to another disk, because secure erase will wipe everything. If smart reports are acceptable, update firmware and perform a secure erase or reinitialize partitions to restore factory-level performance and erase corrupted metadata. Once done, recheck in BIOS and the OS. If problems persist, pursue the manufacturer-warranted RMA or replace the SSD. And remember one key troubleshooting tip. Test with another host to confirm the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.